With growing concerns over workplace safety among healthcare providers, manufacturers, educators, and retailers, the need for quick, discreet reporting of potentially dangerous situations on site is more important than ever before. At 911 Cellular, we've developed a powerful, intuitive incident reporting platform on rugged Zebra devices. This solution includes a panic button that can send precise location information to administrators and integrate with nearby security cameras to help the proper teams respond promptly and effectively. Whether responding to a warehouse spill, an accident in manufacturing, a workplace violence incident, or any other critical event, 911 Cellular streamlines the vital communication process during these high-stress situations. So if you're ready to dramatically reduce response times within your organization while gaining legislative compliance, contact 911 Cellular today for a free consultation.